this is actually huge. This is actually a game changer for manifestation, and not many people know about it or apply it. When you appreciate what you want, you attract it to you. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliet Cleary. I'm a manifestation coach. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and tap that bell icon. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and follow me on social media. If you tend to get jealous or upset when you see that someone has what you want and you don't have it yet, and maybe you've wanted it for such a long time and it still hasn't happened. If you are feeling any kind of negative emotion about them having it and you not, you are holding it away from yourself. We often don't realize how, in what ways we are holding away our desires, okay? But if you notice that someone has the house that you want, or the business that you want, or the body that you want, or the partner, the relationship that you want, and you feel jealousy, or you feel sad, then in that moment, you are not in alignment with what you want. If you can focus on appreciating your desire, even if someone else has it and you don't yet, if you can just make it your goal to anytime you see someone living something that you want, feel joy for them. Appreciate the desire itself. Be happy for other people's success. Be happy for, also, what just came to me now is when you are seeing your desire showing up a lot, maybe it is in the lives of other people, maybe on, Instagram, or maybe in your actual life, you are seeing people with this thing that you want, and you keep seeing it and you keep seeing it. Please take that as a sign that what you want is ready for you. It's showing up. It's not showing up on you yet because you still have resistance about it, but it's showing up. And it doesn't matter if it's showing up in your life or in other people's lives right now. It's a sign that you are on the right track. But if you choose to look at it from a place of, oh, no, this is showing up because, I'm not worthy of it, I can't figure it out, maybe I never will, and they're lucky, or, you're having some sort of negative emotion toward it, then you're missing the point altogether, and then you're knocking yourself out of alignment and you're pushing your desire further away for right now. It is showing up in your life as signs because you're giving attention to it, okay? And the universe is always going to deliver your desire to you in any way that you will allow it in the moment. So if you're not ready to allow it for yourself right now, it's going to be showing up in all different ways. Acknowledge these signs as a good thing, okay? That's the first piece. The second piece is to then choose to appreciate instead of criticize, or choose to be grateful instead of complain or feel the lack. Choose to be happy for someone else instead of being jealous or maybe being a little bit angry or annoyed toward them. Just because someone else has something that you want doesn't mean that you can't have it or that it's not absolute for you. It's absolutely certain for you. So choose anytime that you feel like you want to criticize someone or something, choose appreciation instead. Appreciate this desire, appreciate it, be happy for other people. A lot of people who want, whether it is the money, the business, the relationship, the body, whatever it is, they see it on someone else. They see someone else with it, and they immediately just want to criticize that person or, point out something negative about them to try and make themselves feel better, or get annoyed or frustrated. If you are not happy for other people's success, you will not be successful, because it doesn't matter in which shape or form, these desires are. If you have negative energy, it's just like when people want to be wealthy, but they have such negative thoughts and beliefs around rich people. They think, wealth is bad, or the rich are greedy, things like that. You are stopping the wealth from flowing to you because you have such negative energy about people who are wealthy. That is how it works. If you have so much negative energy around women with the body that you want, or people who are healthy, and you want to be healthy, if you have that negative focus on it, what it's saying is that I don't have it. I don't have it. I don't like that they have it. It's a negative emotion. It's a negative low frequency. That's not where you want to be. That's not who you want to be, and that's not who you are. If you can appreciate, no matter what, no matter who the person is, this is something that I always do. I am so happy when I see someone succeed. I am so happy. It doesn't for a second make me think, oh, they got it and I didn't. There is enough, there is more than enough for everyone. You get to have what you want, and it has nothing to do with anyone else and what they attract. We're all creators, but if you can put yourself in a place where you appreciate your desire, even in other people's lives, wherever you see it, you don't feel the lack, you don't focus on the lack, you appreciate it, you love it. Now, you're on a super high frequency. You're on the frequency of what you want, and you're no longer pushing it away from yourself. So as well as doing this every single time you feel jealousy or inadequate, you're comparing yourself, or you see your desire and you're feeling the lack, and you immediately switch to appreciating. As well as doing that, set a reminder throughout your day just to focus on the appreciation of your desire, of things that you want, just appreciating them, not needing them to be in your life right now, not trying to imagine them as yours right now, but just appreciating that they exist. The fact that other people have it means it's possible for you. Take that as a positive sign. Everything is perspective. Shift your perspective. Set reminders to appreciate, to be grateful for things in your life and for your desires in general. Set a reminder until it becomes a natural habit that you just automatically do it and you don't need the reminder anymore. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, let me know by giving it a like, a share, and commenting in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. For my free guide on manifesting your ideal life, and for any information on my coaching or my programs, that's in the description box below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and have a beautiful day.